Students, today I will teach second part of history for standard 6 topic the Indus Valley civilization. In this we'll discuss all this topic: life of people Indus Valley, their occupations, trade, dress and ornament, religious worship and decline. Let's see life of people. The Indus people had many different kinds of occupation such as farming, pot making, toy making, seal making, spinning and weaving and metal casting. All these they were doing as a occupations. Let's see one by one. Farming was the main occupations. They were the first farmer who grew cotton in India. They also grew many things like wheat, barley, gram, peas. Pot making also one kind of occupation. Pottery of various shapes and sizes were made on the potter's wheel. Plain pottery is more common than the painted one. They were also doing toy making and sculpture. Making terracotta is one kind of burnt clay. Choice figure of animals and statue was major industry. Mother goddess figure is one example of sculpture of terracotta. There were also two stone statue found. They were male torso and bearded man. They were found in Indus Valley. Seal making, more than 2000 seals have been dug from different sites. Seals were made of soapstones and copper. Some seals show a male god. Spinning and weaving, they were also doing the spinning work. A statue of shawl-clad man are evidence that people were skilled in the art of spinning and weaving. Metal casting, Indus people produced tools and weapons of copper and bronze. The statue of dancing girl shows their mastery in art of bronze. Dancing girl found from Mohenjo-daro and necklace is seen around her neck. She is also having large eyes, flat nose and big lower lips. All these were their occupations. Now let's see the next topic, that is trade. There are many reasons to believe that their overseas trade existed. The first reason is the remaining found of dockyard. Dockyard means an area where ships are built. And seal depicting a sea-going ship has also been found. So this evidence that they were doing overseas trade. Their dress and ornament, women wore a shawl around the shoulders and short skirts, and men wear a loose unstitched garment which is not stitched. Both men and women were using ornament. Religious worship, they also worship nature god. The Indus people believe that life after death. They also worship mother god. And what was the reason of decline? It is not clear, but that cities might have been destroyed by natural disaster, maybe like earthquake, floods or change in the course of Indus. I hope this brief topic is clear for you. Now I have to do some question answers. What are the evidence that prove the skill of Harappan in the art of weaving? How do we know that the Indus people carried on overseas trade? Describe a Harappa seal. Write briefly about the religious belief of the Indus people and what led to the decline of Indus civilization.